Hello everyone, let's learn how to allow comments from people you follow and your followers on Instagram. By activating this feature, you'll create an interactive space where conversations thrive, connections deepen, and your Instagram presence shines. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, make sure is your Instagram app updated. If it's not, you need to update app, so go on Play Store or App Store and update app on last version. When you do that, open Instagram app on your device. After that, you need to go on your profile by tapping on this little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. And now you need to scroll down to find comments optioe, and when you find, click on it. Next, you need to go on this second option, allow comments from. Now you see this view option and you need to select the last one, people you follow and your followers, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.